This what's going on. This what's going on. This filthy shit.
Straight. Getting clean.
This filthy fucking engine. Sorry for cussing, but still, it's filthy. It's dirty. It is dirty. It is dirty. Dirty. Stinky, ugly looking piece of shit. Alright though. I got this. Fuck. Look at all this shit. Goddamn. Survive. Survive. Survive.